Begin in a half-kneeling position. Tighten your abdominals, tilt your pelvis backward, and gently push your hips forward. You should feel a stretch in the front of your hip. Make sure to keep your hips facing forward and back straight during the exercise.
Begin lying on your stomach, with your hands by your shoulders resting flat on the ground. Push against the floor with your hands, bending your back upward. Make sure to keep your hips in contact with the floor and maintain a gentle chin tuck throughout the exercise. Begin lying on your back with your arms resting at your sides, your legs bent at the knees, and your feet flat on the ground. Tighten your abdominals and slowly lift your hips off the floor into a bridge position, keeping your back straight. Make sure to keep your trunk stiff throughout the exercise and your arms flat on the floor.
Begin lying on your side with your back towards the wall and your knees bent to 90 degrees, looped with a resistance band. Slowly lift your top knee and pull against the resistance. Pause briefly, then slowly lower it back down and repeat. Make sure to keep your hips and shoulders facing forward during the exercise. Begin on all fours. Gently release your abdominal muscles, letting your belly relax toward the floor. Then tighten your muscles, pulling your navel in and up toward your spine. Then relax and repeat. Make sure not to hold your breath as you tighten your muscles.